Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel Cryptoland. Hope you all are well and having a great day. Well, as you all know, we talk about new projects, new websites, and I always try to introduce those sites to you in which you can invest and get a good return. So today I'm here with another great earning site. So let's know more about the project. Let's begin. But before we proceed, I want you all to please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. Thank you. All right, so this is our project for today. It's MS Technology, and you can simply earn by shopping on MS Technology. So, first of all, you have to create your account. You will get the link, the registration link in my description, and as soon as you will click on the link, so you will be able to create your account. So, you have to put your name, email, mobile number, referral code will be automatically generated, and then you have to put your password and security pin. And after doing all these steps, you will get a confirmation link on your email and you have to activate your account by clicking on that link. Alright, so I have already created my account, so I just signed in and you can see that we have different type of tier systems for which we have to make minimum amount of deposit. So I have recharged 300 and you can see that now I am in silver tier for which I'll get 3% of commission, and the minimum amount you have to deposit for this tier is 10. And the next is bronze for which you have to deposit 1000, and then gold for which you have to deposit 5000, and you will get 5% on commission. Okay, so now let me tell you that how you can recharge your amount. All you have to do is to just click on recharge, and you have many options. You can recharge by Perfect Money, Web Money, Payer, PayPal, and cryptocurrencies as well. You can recharge via Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, USDT, wherever from whichever currency you want. So first of all, you have to set the currency, and then you have to copy this address and you have to send your USDT on this address and enter the amount, like you are doing recharge of $100. Just enter the amount and send your USDT to this address, upload the screenshot and submit, and your recharge will be approved. By as soon as it will approve, your recharge will be added to your account. Okay, now let's talk about the referral commission. You will not only just buy your deposit amount, but you can also earn by referring your friends. So here you have referral commission. You can get $1 commission on per reference if the person deposits less than $50 on first recharge. And then you can get $5 commission on per reference if the person deposits $50 and above on the first recharge. So you can even earn more by referring to your friends. And here you can get your referral link. This is a referral code and this is a QR code. You can get your link right from here. You can get this code and you can share this code to your circle, to your friends, wherever you want, and whoever joins by your referral and make deposits, so you will be getting commission on that. Here you can see that you will get one commission on if the person deposits less than $50, and if the person deposits $50 and above it, so you will get $5 commission. So if you refer 50 people, so you will earn $100 of commission, and if you refer 100 people, so you will earn $300 of referral commission. This is a great chance. You can even you can increase your earning by referring your friends, refer as much as you can and earn your commission. So here you can see that minimum deposit $50 and above on first recharge will count as a valid refer to unlock the tiers and get extra bonus. And then you can earn up to $9, 5 plus 1 plus 3 for each successful reference once you achieve the goal. Okay, so now if you're thinking that why you should choose MS Technology, so here you have some detailed information about MST. As the parent group of MST, IDP Group provides its wide range of marketing and client resources, as well as technical supports to ensure MST services satisfies customer demands. So the headquarters of MST is located in New York, USA, responsible for the group of strategies and in financial planning and business goals, establishing financial management and operational control, guiding personal policies and cross-industrial cooperation. So you can go through all these details of the company. You have more links that why you should choose MST, importance of MST, and about MST. So you can go through these links if you want to know more detailed information about the project. You have also live chat support. You can get in touch with the team if you have any query, or if you're facing any type of issue, or if you want to ask anything regarding the project. Then you have the contact link as well. You can get in touch with them by submitting your form. You have to submit your email and your message, and you will be responded by email as soon as possible. So we have discussed everything, but now the most important thing is withdraw. Of course, you will be thinking that how you can get your withdraw. So you can get your withdraw just by clicking on the withdraw link. And same as recharge, you have many options to get your withdraw. Just select the preferred method. And here you have some important notice about the withdraw. You can withdraw your balance after 72 hours from first recharge. Either that is your commission amount or your deposited amount, and then the first withdrawal will be minimum of $20, and then withdrawal will take up to 24 hours to approve. First withdrawal minimum $20 can be requested. Withdrawal will take up to 24 hours to approve. Saturday and Sundays are holidays, so withdrawal request will proceed on Monday. Per day, one withdrawal request can be made, and please verify your account to make a withdrawal request. First withdrawal is free of charge, but 2.5% withdrawal fees will be charged from second withdrawal, and same fees for all withdrawal methods. So now let's start our withdrawal process. So you have to select the method and the amount. Let's suppose we want to get withdraw of $100, and paste your address, wallet address here. You can get your wallet address from Trust Wallet, Binance Wallet, whatever wallet you're using. Just copy the TRC20 address and paste it here. Your security pin and submit the request. So just put the amount, enter your wallet address, your security pin, and submit the request. And as soon as the request will be approved, the withdrawn amount will be sent to your wallet. So we have submitted request for withdraw, and after approval, our withdrawal amount will be sent to our wallet address. Please make sure to verify your account before requesting for withdraw. Alright, so here you can see that our withdrawal has been approved, and it took around 34 minutes to get approval. And here we have got our withdrawn amount in our wallet. So this is a simple step by which you can get your withdraw. Okay, so we have checked that how we can recharge, how we can withdraw. Now let's talk about the task for which we will get our commission. So we are on first tier, silver tier. So just click on the AliExpress and you have to do this task, start task. Okay, so it's spinning and you will get your commission on this. Okay, so yeah, have to submit your task and you have got 0.45% of commission. So we have had $300, now we have $300.045. So you have to do more tasks like this and you will get your commission of first year right now. 0.45 more commission. Just complete all the tasks and you will get your commission. So this is the easiest thing by which you can increase your earning. You can earn. Alright, so this was our project for today, and you can simply start earning by creating your account, making a deposit, and doing simple tasks. So this is a great platform. I'll provide the registration link in my description. You can create your account by clicking on that link. I hope you enjoyed the video, you enjoyed the website. If yes, so please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and press the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.